The King and Three Staffs. Once upon a time, there was a wise king who wanted to test the loyalty and endurance of his three loyal staff members. He called them to his palace and gave each one a sack, instructing them to fill it with fruits and other goods in different ways. The first staff member filled his sack entirely with fresh fruits. The second one filled half of his sack with fruits and the other half with various other goods. The third staff member filled most of his sack with other goods but covered only the surface with fruits. The king then ordered the three staff members to stay in three separate rooms, each with their own sack, for 1 whole month without any other food or supply. Days passed by. The first staff member, who had filled his sack completely with fruits, survived the entire month. The second staff member, whose sack was half fruits and half other goods, could survive only for 25 days. The third staff member, who had fruits merely on the surface of his sack, died after 17 days. The king proved through his test that honesty and sincerity are rewarded, while deceit leads to downfall. Moral: honesty is the best policy.